Why utility AI? The order of branches in behavior trees presents challenges when attempting to comprehend the outcomes in a complex tree or when incorporating new actions. Behavior trees can be somewhat more manageable compared to FSMs, but they still pose difficulties in terms of readability, maintenance, and their ability to create immersive AI. Complex behavior trees tend to become increasingly intricate, making it difficult to visualize the expected outcomes or seamlessly introduce new actions. State machines require an extensive number of transitions connecting all possible and valid states, making their management a daunting task. Introducing new states to an existing state machine can prove to be quite challenging and intricate over time. Utility AI evaluates all actions concurrently, assigning scores to determine the most favorable action for execution. The versatility of utility AI allows for seamless addition of new actions and the fine-tuning of considerations, ensuring actions are executed when desired. If you're tired of managing complex and, let's face it, dry AI, then utility AI is your answer. It opens up a world where emergent situations and intricate narratives, which are notoriously challenging to hard code, become possible. Just as game graphics have evolved by leaps and bounds, we firmly believe that utility AI has the potential to revolutionize in-game agent behavior. Say goodbye to mundane AI management and embrace the future of immersive gaming experiences.